Our business thrives on happy customers, so when they write to tell us we did a good job, we love to share their feedback so they know we appreciate their words. And this is what they had to say. Attention to detail and customer satisfaction are among our top priorities. As you can see, this stellar review is proof that we succeeded in providing top-rate services and complete customer care to each and every client. 5-star reviews are great, but our goal is to keep earning those reviews. Let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star review. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen, and we hope to see you soon.